Ooh. Ooh. Hey pottery friends! Let's do another kiln opening. Sun has returned on Bonaire after days and days of rain, and I've been able to fire one again. So let me show you what it looks like now, and then I will take everything one by one for you. So let me show you. That's the first layer. And there are some refires in here, but they're on the bottom. But now you can see how it was packed a little bit. There's a little bit of room left. Couldn't get everything in. But hey, that's how it goes sometimes. So let's go and unpack it one by one. First shelf. Very tiny, but very cute. These will be earrings maybe, or maybe 2 necklaces, we'll see. I'll take pictures for you so you can see better. These are 2 little cutie flamingos, and the glaze is the soft red. I can tell, you can see better in pictures later. And I have one of my coral dishes, and I call them coral dishes because I make texture in a round slab, inlay that with black slip, and the texture is made with a piece of coral from our beach. Then a little texture with slip and a glaze, only glaze on the inside, the beautiful peacock. And there's one tiny little shelf done. I have another one of those little coral dishes in peacock. I've sold a few of these, so I thought let's make a few new ones. Some little posts. I have made 2 ashtrays on request. This is the beautiful satin patina. It needs at least 4 coats to get this, or else it's some greenish brownish color. It's a beautiful matte glaze. On the inside I used up my smoke, which this time did not crawl. And this was thrown as a closed piece, but the top, it's not completely closed, and then I pushed this down a little bit and then added these later and cut it. Well, that's one. I have one more. Again, smoke on the inside. Didn't crawl this time. I really need to thin that smoke out, or else it will crawl. And I was a little bit afraid this would run and close with the glaze, but it didn't. This is the raspberry mist, but with some jungle jam. The red jungle jam with the yellow speckles. And the red disappeared a little bit, but the speckles are still there, although it is subtle. Let's call it subtle. Then I have a few more ornaments. You saw these last time. These, look, oh, I don't know if you can see. Can you tell? These rods flake. Doesn't matter, doesn't hurt anything. So I think it happens late in the firing because it never stuck anywhere, or I don't know. A few more snowflake ornaments with a little bit of micro wire up there, textured with my slip with sapphire blue mason stain. But you've seen a few of them last time. Let me take out the little shelf. is nice. Ah. Oh. Oh, this is a keeper. I'm keeping you waiting, aren't I? Right up to the edge. Very nice. This is a little bird feeder. I threw a bowl and then this in the middle, which is hollow, or it's, you know, I can put a rope in here. Oh my. I have to wait a little while to see if this will craze, because sometimes it does. That's why I used it on the bird feeder. This is 2 times pearl white and 1 time, I believe, 917 jungle gems. Isn't that gorgeous? I like it. I like this a lot. Oh, I hear a ping. Yeah, so it's probably going to craze. Many times when I fire jungle gems at cone 5, 6, or when I combine them or layer them with another glaze, they tend to craze. So I wouldn't use it on the inside of a mug, but on the outside or on a bird feeder. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Happy with that. There are these black flakes everywhere, but they come out. A few more shot glasses with flamingo slip trailing. Thrown on the wheel, slip trailed, and that's it. Peacock glaze. The beautiful soft aqua, which is so beautiful in texture. He's sticking his tongue out. Oh, and the other one too. And this is my altered pearl white. I added 3% lobster mason stain into the pearl white. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, I see cones. Last time I put the cones on the bottom. Now I put them, wow, on the middle shelf. 8 perfect, cone 6, and 5, of course, completely melted. Happy because I had some things that I needed to refire. The last time one of my firings didn't work. Cone 4 didn't even bend. So I know I have cone 6 also down in the bottom. I had some more B cups waiting for me. They were waiting in the bisque load for a while. The idea is to put a little bit of water in there, stick them into a plant pot somewhere, and hopefully the bees will come and drink. These are all jungle gems. And this one has a little bit of soft red on the inside. And this whole, I like to fire them like that because, you know, how you go. Some people make holders for them. I find it easier to hang them on a bead rod. These are also all jungle gems with raspberry mist on the inside. And this is also with soft red over a jungle gem on the inside. Aren't they cute? There's some more coming. Jungle gems, all jungle gems with a little soft red on top of that yellow jungle gem. This is a different shape. I think I like this one better. It's a little bit bigger too, so it will hold a little bit more water. And this one is, well, the same as this one, with a little soft aqua in the middle. I like those the best. Yeah, cute. again, I will take pictures when they are in situ, so to speak. Let me take out some posts and some shelves. Oh, nice. I was a while ago. I was in the mood of making board games. You saw my tic-tac-toes. I'm working on a backgammon at the moment. Of course, I'm working on my chess set. Here are the last pieces that need to be bisque fired, and then I can finish that. And I made a domino set. That's this one. That's a lot of pieces. Ah. On the 391 black clay by Laguna, white slip on top, then my mason stains, a red and a yellow, and then I cut them out with a cookie cutter, and I carved that middle thingy stripey out. So here's the, I will show you a few. They're all, I made it in one, oh my god, one of those days again that I can't talk. I prepared the whole slab with white slip and the two colors of slip with mason stain, and then I cut them out and did the pips. This one's a little bit more yellow, this one has more red. They're cute. I think I need to sand them a little bit, but that's fine. I'm going to put these back on the shelf. It's easier to take it out when they're all on the shelf. There we go. Can I show you? Ooh. Even this has the flakes of the rod in them. I made a few bowls. It's been a while since I've made bowls. There's a flamingo one with 3 colors, mason stain slip. They're cute. And this one has blues and greens and turquoise, and a little bit of a, it's not really a scenery, but you know, some things about Bonaire. Of course, a flamingo and a turtle, one of our 5 lighthouses, another turtle. There's the island, more flamingos, and a slave hut. I am working on expanding my sgraffito, evolving, you know, you don't want to stand still. And although I like it, it's not exactly where I want it to be yet. But I think for a souvenir, it's beautiful. Let's make some room for the next one. Oh, oh, that's not nice. I guess I have a new bowl in my kitchen. This is the first time these flakes are stuck. See that? And it's weird, this is the bottom shelf with no bead rods. Huh. Well, it's a beautiful flower bowl, all sgraffitoed with 3 colors, a red, an orange, and a soft pink mason stain. One more, and from this they all come out. Isn't that weird? Okay, of course a turtle one. Blues and greens and turquoise, all sgraffito, and a foot ring. Yeah, like it, like it. And then there's a few more shot glasses. Again with peacock. It's a very popular place. If I have these or something else in peacock, sometimes they sell fast. This is another one with my adjusted pearl white with 3% lobster mason stain. And last but not least, haha, these always work. Scandinavian blue and pearl white over slip trailed flamingos. It's just a beautiful combo. Did I tell you the combo? Yeah, pearl white first, then Scandinavian blue. Yeah, well, that's it, folks. I hope to be firing again soon, and I hope to get the Christmas the chess set finished before Christmas. And yeah, let's get back on the wheel and make some more things and get firing again. I hope you have fun. Be kind to yourself and to others. Make beautiful stuff. Be creative. And I will see you soon in a new video. Bye for now. Hey guys, I was laying out my dominoes and look, I'm missing one. Typical me. It is probably somewhere in my cupboard inside or on the shelves inside, because I've made 2 sets, so it's probably the bisque fired one is probably somewhere there. I'm going to see if I can find it. But well, at least you have an overview of how it looks, incomplete as it is.